Hello, Darin Martineau here, and in this video I'd like to talk about some uh, some marketing and business skills that are going to help you, whether you're a small business or whether you're online or offline. I'm going to give you some marketing tips. So number one is to get and show the real results, show the proof, whether it's a product or service, and your review of it, and showing your own testimonials and showing why you believe in it. Okay, if you look in my videos, I will do this if you look on my channel. The next one, number two, is to stop having this shiny object syndrome, and that is to stop chasing and looking for the new methods, etc. Because it's not that the new methods are good or bad; they may or may not be, but it's chasing the never-ending shiny object syndrome. So what happens is you get stuck in this cycle in your business where you're always trying to find the quick method or whatever. So you want to do the things that traditionally really work in your business. And that are the marketing frameworks that have always worked. Building an email list, driving traffic. Um, we'll talk about those things in this video. So the next one that's related to this is uh, tip number three, and that is to have short-term and long-term goals in your business. Okay, that is instead of trying to make money overnight, what you want to do is set up, play the long game. Instead of looking at, something that works in 12 days, look at 12 months. Because, that's the same thing. You've heard the sayings, in sales. I don't sell a guy one car. I sell a guy like, 5 or 10 cars over a lifetime. So that's the customer lifetime value. And really look at what you're providing, which brings us to the next point. And that's point number four. And that's focus on providing real value. And so, um, that's not only making sales, but that's building trust and that's building your relationships. So you ask yourself how you can provide more value to all of my customers. Okay, now the next one is to have the right mindset, and this ties everything together. And having the right mindset is going to mean, what kind of books are you reading? I've been reading this Coach Builder, a book that I've been doing tons of reviews on this channel about, and I highly recommend. But there's many others. I'm going to be doing several book reviews. I have Success Principles by Jack Canfield. I have many other things that I'm going to be talking about. How to Win Friends and Influence People, many of my favorite books, and I'm going to show little quotes and excerpts from that. But you have to have this mindset. You have to believe in it, right? You can only build it if you can believe in it. Whatever you can believe, and whatever you can conceive and believe, you can achieve. The next one is tip number six, and that brings us to what this channel is all about, and that is learning the best marketing skills. So, what are some of the best marketing skills? Let's talk about that. Number one is you learn how to get traffic to your website, and this YouTube channel is set up to help with many things, but also it's going to be I'm going to be talking about what I'm using in my business. So one of them is TubeBuddy. So I want you to click on the link below. I'll put the links in the description. And TubeBuddy is a software that's going to help you to rank your videos. Also, Aweber. Aweber is going to help you with your emails and your autoresponder. And you can set up a mini course. You can do all kinds of things. I'm going to be doing videos on all these things in the future. The next one is to learn how to write good ad copy. If you can't write good ad copy, maybe you could pay someone on Fiverr. You can look at examples. You can do all kinds of things. Okay, I'm going to give several examples in the future videos. The next one is learning how to write good emails. You can also use ChatGPT to help you write and improve your emails. Um, you can uh, you can hire people on Fiverr. There's all kinds of things you can do. Okay, the next thing is search engine optimization, SEO, how to rank your videos. We're going to be doing videos on all of these things and go into more detail.